This is the market visualization for June 29th, 2026. Kenneth Tortoise Capital, a member of the OWL Group trading team. So let's start by adjusting from the daily charts. The price had an upward move today. Going to adjust the range to the high and the low there. The high is the automatic move to the long side. The short side trade is there. Going to adjust the 5-day look back. And we're going to adjust the two PSAR goals to the upside. Those are breakouts of resistance that would give us a long side bias. We're going to adjust the 10-day price, the 10-period regression, the 10-period high, 10-period low doesn't change. The 30-period range, 30-period low doesn't change. The 20-period regression line lag 10, which is that next intermediate trend, has flattened out. There's our 10-day high. The 30-period regression, or the 30-period simple moving average, we're just going to adjust that slope. That shows the broad trend. Slight improvement today, but still dipping down. That's a concern. The reference day to here. The 120-day regression line lagged by 30 days. That goes all the way back to 150 days of look back. That was us tracking the changing of the regime from panic selling to panic buying. And that's the 150-day high and 150-day low, which we use for reference. And so that's what our 30-day frame looks like. Some evidence of healing. That could be a bottoming tail and some recovery. If so, the upside targets would be the SMA 30, the PSAR dots, 10-day high, and then the 30-day high, which is an all-time high. So we're still within shooting distance right there. It's Ken at Tortoise Capital and owlgrouptrading.com. Come on and check us out, learn how we do it.